What is going on today, guys? My name is Tyler. Welcome back to the channel. I want to bring this to your guys' attention. I see a lot of these stocks right now up in pre-market, and I think this is only the start. So I want to break it down to you guys, give you guys what I'm looking at and what I'm looking to make trades on. But all I ask you guys to do in exchange for all this hard work, time, and effort it does take to make these videos is to comment down below. Let me know what you think about these stocks. Which one is your favorite? I love to hear from you guys down below. Now, getting right into the phone. Everything does look to be up quite significantly right now, and we are taking a nosedive quite strongly, actually, as I'm saying this. But NEO does look very solid at its $40 level. You can see we have double bounce off about $35 a share, so that is our true support level. But $40 is still in between our support level and even our first resistance level around $45. So it does look like a good time to make a trade. Now, if these hype stocks just keep going down, I don't see how much further they could keep going down. NEO at 35 bucks is down almost 50% from its high. But it could still happen, so I wouldn't make necessarily short-term trades on these. I would look for the momentum to continue in these names. Palantir is going to be the next stock we are talking about. I do see a great trade here or a long-term investment, but I really see a good trade here given the momentum that they have today. Now, they are almost at 4% up on the day, whereas the whole market kind of started to sell off the first couple minutes into market today. Palantir has bounced off of its bottom. It was only up like 2% at its bottom. Now it's up around 4%, and we have strong buying power coming in, strong momentum to the upside. Now, if we take it back to the yearly chart, obviously they IPO'd this year at $10 a share. That is where I bought in most of my position, but they are at their lower end support level around $22 a share. They're almost at $24 a share. I see the first level of resistance coming in around $27 per share. And then, like I said in my previous video, which I encourage you guys to go watch, it's going to be around $30 is going to be the mental resistance level. So people might start to trip out around $30 a share. I think that's at least a couple days away, but even the momentum going into right now when I'm filming this is 4.31%, so they are even going up as I'm filming this. Now, I am going to make this trade live for you guys because I like the momentum with Palantir, and I am down quite a bit. I'm a $50 2023 call. I think I bought this one at $845. I'm down $405 or almost 48%. So I am going to go ahead and buy one more of these, and hopefully I get filled. Dismiss. Why is it saying that? Hopefully get filled. So got another one. Brings my average down to, let me refresh it. I really do like the momentum here. Okay, $643. So now I'm averaged in at a better price, and I can do more and work more with this in case Palantir does keep going up. I can either ghetto spread or just sell them out once I'm up. The next stock we were talking about, guys, and this is a banger. This is one I believe in after doing my research. I have a high level of conviction in the stock, especially at its current price, and we are talking about VIAC CBS. And I did make a trade on this. I bought a 2023 $70 call for $530 earlier this morning. I did not record that for the video. I apologize, but I did make this today earlier, and I really do like this trade. I can see some long-term potential here, especially since we, ran up from about where we were at, honestly, about the $45 range to $100, and then fell down almost 60, a little bit over 60% at one point, but about 60%, and now we are at the bottom when I am making this trade. So I do see a lot of value here, but this is something I want to play with time. I'm not playing this as a hype stock or anything like that. I believe in Paramount Plus, and I made a video about that. You guys should check out, going deep into the numbers with Paramount Plus and the potential that I think that it has. The fourth stock I see worthy of a long-term investment or a trade right now is going to be Tesla. Now, that today they are up 5.3%, and they are quite volatile. Their price is pretty much fluctuating every single second. But if we take a look at the 1-year chart, obviously they were up almost around 900 bucks, and they've kind of settled out. They hit a bottom at $563. I know it went a little bit lower than that for a brief moment, but that does look like our overall support, and it does look like we are just bouncing off of our lows. So I do expect us to go back up to the $700, $750 level in the next couple of weeks for sure, but I would play this with more time. You know me, I like the 2022, 2023. The more time, the better. So that is how I would trade this, but it does look like it is setting up for a move right now. Now, this final stock on the list everybody's going to know about, and that is CCIV. And this does look primed for a pop. You can see as we pull up the 1-year chart, it was a SPAC, so it was around 10 bucks. And then we all know the story, going up to the mid 60s and then crashing down. And really, they've come down to their bottom level support. Around $21 was the lowest they got, but that is just ridiculously oversold. So now they're at $23.61, and this is still at the bottom. And just off the little technicals that I can tell you guys on the Robinhood, it looks like our resistance level is going to be around $30 a share, and that's going to be the psychological resistance level. Now, depending on how fast this transaction is done and they start going public under Lucid Motors, we could see a rally after that. I think a lot of people are waiting just to make sure everything does go through, because that would be a shame to not have stuff go through, and these shares are only backed at $10 a share. So there still is some level of risk here, even though, you know, some people might not tell you that. There is still a chance that the deal does not go through. I do think it will go through. I'm hoping that it just happens already, because we will see a rally after that. I'm pretty damn confident in it. We could drop after that, but I really don't see it, given the EV. It's an EV car company that's gonna rival Tesla. Why would it drop like that? But if you're gonna make a trade on this, I think right now is the time to make a trade on it, just given how much we have fallen, you know, 60% at least from its high. Around 66% if we're talking mid 60s, down to $23. So this does look like a good time to make a trade on this, and I am waiting to buy options on CCIV until they do complete the transaction and go public under Lucid Motors. That is all I have for this video. Those are the 5 stocks that I see going to make a move in the next couple of weeks, especially this week that we just started. So if you guys got anything useful out of this video, consider subscribing. Make sure to comment down below on your way out, and if you made it to the end of this video, you have a private invitation to a Discord link in the description, where I send out all of my buy and sell alerts, as well as these trades that I made today. I send them out in the Discord before I ever make a video or ever talk about them on any social media platform. So if you want to be a part of that, that's free 99 in the description. Like I said, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great trading week. Peace out.